Alright guys, so the Realme Pad Mini is set to go official on the 4th of April and it will launch first in the Philippines. As the name suggests, this is a toned down version of the Realme Pad which launched last year as the company's first Android tablet. And while the launch is yet to happen, the tablet is already listed on an e-commerce website, and this is not any mistake as Realme has done it on purpose. So it looks like at the event on the 4th of April, all that Realme is going to do is reveal the price and that's it. In this video, let us talk about all we know about Realme Pad Mini so far. First of all, as the name shows, this tablet has a smaller footprint than the Realme Pad, and that is due to the fact that it has a smaller display. This also means that Realme had a smaller area to fit all the internal components, and this is something that is not possible to do without increasing the thickness of the tablet. And due to this reason, Realme Pad Mini is 7.6mm thick, whereas Realme Pad was 6.9mm thick. And finally, there are only 2 speakers instead of 4 as on the Realme Pad. And again, that is probably due to the lesser space inside. When you compare the design of Realme Pad Mini to that of Realme Pad, you won't notice a huge design change. The only noticeable thing is that the camera module design is a bit different. Also, the Realme Pad Mini gets the same metal build as the Realme Pad, so there is no compromise in terms of build quality. As for the specifications, Realme Pad Mini has an 8.7-inch LCD as compared to a 10.4-inch LCD on the Realme Pad. The resolution is also lower this time at 1340 x 800 pixels. For performance, this tablet comes with a Unisoc T616 chipset and it is built on the 12nm process, has an octa-core CPU and a Mali G57 GPU. There is 3GB or 4GB of RAM along with 32GB or 64GB UFS 2.2 storage that is also expandable via a microSD card. The battery size is smaller this time at 6400 mAh versus 7200 mAh, but the charging speed is the same at 18W. There is an 8MP rear camera and a 5MP selfie camera. And finally, the Realme Pad Mini runs on Realme UI out of the box, and this is an Android 11 based skin. Realme has already announced that the Realme Pad will get Android 12 update in the 3rd quarter of this year, so you can expect the Realme Pad Mini to get Android 12 after that only. As I mentioned in the beginning, we do not know the price yet, but not a lot of days are now left for the launch, so we will get to know that soon. Anyways, what do you think of the Realme Pad Mini? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.